Alright, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make eggplant rollatini. Very easy to make. This can be served as an appetizer, or you can serve it with a side of pasta. Really, really good.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Anyway, let's get cooking. We're going to go ahead and start whipping up the filling for the rollatini. We got some ricotta, and we got some parsley, some Reggiano Parmesan, this is salt and pepper, and really that's about it. I'm going to start off with a little salt. You don't want to put too much salt though. So we're going to put some of that cheese in there, which is kind of salty. Then we're going to put some black pepper in there. Put some of this Parmesan. Some fresh Italian parsley. Some mousse. This is our blend. That every time I use cheeses for pizza and Parmesan, I like to mix provolone and mozzarella together. It gives it a nice creamy texture. Plus, it gives it that little sharpness from the provolone. And put some of that cheese in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the whites of one egg, so it helps bind the cheeses when it's cooking in the eggplant. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. And by the way, this is whole milk mozzarella and ricotta cheese. You want to stay away from that skim milk stuff. All right, this is ready to go. All right, now we're going to go ahead and slice up the eggplant here. Take off the stem, of course, unless you like stems. You like stems, right, Sean?
No.
Okay. We're going to keep the skin on, but the first layer, I'm just going to try to cut that skin off right there. There we go. And now you want to cut it as thin as possible, probably like a ½ inch, maybe. Just like so. If you have one of those little gadgets that slice, I recommend you use that if you're not too experienced in cutting with a knife. There we go. All right, eggplant's cut. I'm going to go ahead and put some olive oil on here. And some salt and pepper to give it a little flavor. I'm going to grill these up on the stove. Salt and pepper. And then we'll flip it over. Do the same thing. You know what works too? When you have that olive oil spray, that's sometimes a little easier. All you do is spray it on.
I used to do that with the eggplants in restaurants, and we used to make a bushel at a time, so they wouldn't get soggy. You just spray the top with oil, just the breadcrumb on both sides, and you bake in the oven. They come out nice and crispy.
All right, we're going to go ahead and fry these up, or grill them up.
Yep.
All right, now we're going to start grilling up these eggplant. We got our grill nice and hot. Hear the sizzle? All right, just a few minutes on each side. All right, let's check these eggplant out here. There we go. Starting to get a little grill mark on there. Very nice. You want to cook them so they get nice and soft, so they're easy to roll up. Let's check them out. Nice. See, nice. These are ready. They're nice and pliable. That's what you want, so you can roll them up. All All right, let's cook up the rest of these, so we'll be back. All right, eggplant is ready. Beautiful. All right, let's get these rolled up. All right, I made some earlier, so these are nice and cool. You want to wait till they cool off a little bit before you fill them. And zoom over here, bud. I made some tomato sauce here earlier. And you can actually get this recipe on our channel. And we're going to go ahead and just put a couple of ladles in this tray right here. A beautiful color. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and just line these up. There we go. I'll take some of this ricotta mix here. Little dab will do ya. Man, you know, this is actually a Italian-American dish here. I mean, Italy didn't come up with this. Yeah, this is definitely an Italian-American staple, this rollatini. You find it in a lot of restaurants that sell it as an appetizer or as a meal with pasta.
Cold or hot.
Absolutely. Okay, now we're going to just roll this up like so, gently, and put it right here in the tray. Right, good to go. This is definitely an alternative to using pasta. You know, if you can't eat gluten, this is definitely a great substitute right here. All right, roll these up. See how easy that is? Good. And they smell good already too. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and top it off with some more sauce. And some of this mozzarella provolone blend. There we go. Now we're going to put this in the oven for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, let's check out these eggplant rollatini here. Oh man, look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful, Sean?
Oh yes.
Nice and bubbly. Look at that. Awesome. Alright, let's eat. Let's dig into this rollatini here. Oh, check that out there, Sean. Oh,
wow.
Beautiful. Oh man, look at that. It looks great. I'm sure it tastes great. Here you go.
Thank you.
A little more cheese on there. Wow. Alright, let's test this out. Be careful, it is hot.
Still hot. Good.
Very good. It's kind of like eggplant parmesan without the breading. So it's a little more healthy.
Plus the ricotta cheese.
Yeah.
Very good.
Excellent. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers. Check out our new website, brooklynbrotherscooking.com. We have all recipes on there, and we have a store with all kinds of Brooklyn Brothers shirts and hats and all kinds of things. Anyway, take care. We'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.